In today's video, I will walk you through how to scale objects in AutoCAD. To get started, select the object or objects you want to scale. Then go to the Home tab and find the Modify section. Click Scale to start the scaling process. You can also type SC in the command line and press Enter to activate the Scale command. Next, select a base point by clicking a point on your object. This point will be used as the anchor for scaling. You can adjust the size by moving your mouse or by entering a specific scaling factor. Enter 1 to keep the original size, 2 to double the size, or 0.5 to reduce the size by half. You can also use the Copy option to keep the original object while creating a scaled version. The Reference option allows you to scale an object based on a specific reference length. Scaling objects is great for adjusting the size of elements while keeping your drawings accurate and organized. It's especially useful when working on layouts, technical drawings, and designs that require precise sizing adjustments. And that's how to scale objects in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.